Hey guys, it's Greta, and today I have a new tutorial for you. We are going to learn how to do a 3D box braid. This braid is going to have a braid that is visible on all four sides of it, and I'm really excited to show you how I do this. I have been asked how I did it, so here's the video for you. Please remember, if you like it, hit the like button. And if you are interested in seeing more of my videos, subscribe. But don't forget to hit that notification bell, otherwise you're not going to hear when the next ones come out. So if you are interested in watching this video, let's get started. So I'm going to begin this style with all my hair on one side. I'm going to pull it into a loose ponytail right here. Next, I'm going to cover that hairband. So I'm going to take a little bit of hair here. I'm going to bring it up and around and just cover that ponytail holder. Once I am happy with that, I'm going to take my topsy-turvy or my loop tool. I'm going to place that in towards the back, making sure it goes through the hair and on the inside of the hairband. Take your fingers inside, pinch that hair, pull it through. Then you're going to find the bottom of that tool. You're going to pull that through, and that secures the hair around the ponytail. So for this braid, what we're going to do is take our hair into 3 equal sections, just like we would for a regular braid. Once you have all those sections nice and even, you're going to start on either side. It doesn't matter if you start on the left or the right. I'm going to start on my right. Taking that first section, I'm going to split it into 2, bring it around either side of my middle section, let them go, and then bring them together again on the middle. Then I'm going to do the same. So just like a regular braid, you're bringing your outside piece to the middle, then you're going to start on the other side, bring your outside piece to the middle. Split this one into 2 again, and then come around the middle piece and then bring them together in the middle. And you are going to continue that all the way down the braid. So separate your outside piece, pull your middle piece through the 2 sides of your outside piece, and then they're going to become one in the middle. Outside split, bring it around, that becomes one. So I'm splitting with my index finger, and then I'm opening up with my index finger and my thumb. Then I'm grabbing with my index finger and my thumb my middle section, and my index and thumb on the other hand are going to pull the 2 sides of my outside piece into the center while I pull this one free. And I do the exact same thing with my index finger and thumb, grabbing that middle piece, index finger and thumb on this side, and I'm pulling that there so then I can easily hold that there in the center and pull it through. I'm just going to continue that all the way down on my braid. You do want to try and create the outside section pretty even when you split it in half. So you want both sides to be pretty even. Otherwise you'll have one side that goes a little wonky. Once you've reached the end, go ahead and secure that with an elastic. And that is your 3D box braid. Again, the braid's on this side, all the way around, you have a braid. This one is super fun if you are going to wear your hair in a ponytail. It's perfect for sports if you want to keep the hair all together in a braid and something a little bit different than your regular flat 3-strand braid. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was easy for you to follow along. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you tried this out or if you have any questions. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you on those questions. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, tell your friends, practice on your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!